Alright.
Hey!
Oh no! Oh no! Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy, Skinny Pickle. Josh, come here. Get on now.
I'm on.
This is like a big bowl sandwich. Oh, hello, Mr. Carr. You're not invincible. Oh no! Stop falling!
I didn't fall, you ran into something.
I'm in the best car in the game. I can't run into things.
Oh,
Oh my god. Get on! Why are you getting out of there? Oh god!
rapist van. Look, it's a banana van. Come on.
You gonna let me in? It's not gonna let me in. Drive, 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 drive. La, 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 la. I'll do the car combat. I just realized how slow this thing is. This is gonna suck.
Hey, it's a tree. It's a fence.
Oh god, that's what the fuck did you just do? What
I
the fuck?
saved us.
But dude, what? That's not saving. That's hurting.
I saved myself.
Josh. I have 5 stars, and I don't have any bonnets to boost. What
Player
the
found.
flipping?
Connecting.
Oh god. I can't boost away. I think I'm gonna die.
Unable to connect. This is a bunch of bull.
Yeah, squad, stand by. We're swinging back around.
Ooh, is that an SUV? It is. I'm saved.
What? No, you killed me! No! Oh my god!
I guess it's just me and my SUV now.
SWAT van.
You've been hit by, you been struck by a smooth criminal.
Keegan,
Ow!
this game's
Oh.
logic is sad. I just kicked this SWAT guy out of his van and I didn't get any stars on it.
But if you just tap a police car, you get like 2 stars.
Yeah, I ran him over, so now they're on me.
Well, I mean, I'm escaping. I don't know how, but I am.
Ooh, I'll bring them to you.
Yeah, I'm just gonna stop. Oh, well, I think I vanished. Let me just go ram dead into one. Josh, do you need help?
Lost the suspect. We'll start searching.
I swear, if you kill me again,
I'll do it.
they'll never find me.
How'd you get up there? What? What? Oh, hi. They're actually not finding. Are you actually escaping right now?
I was. Now
Oh,
there's
hunters have joined. Get in my car. Get in my car.
I'm better with
Josh.
motorcycles.
Josh, get in my SUV.
I don't want your SUV.
SUV.
Yeah, shut up.
Okay, I'm gonna have to get my Bertha out, cause then I can help you.
This guy is trying to hit me.
We're swinging back around.
Ooh, bus!
We're back on the suspect.
Keegan, if you could come help me by ramming these police, that would be nice.
Okay, I'm coming. I'm spawning in a Bertha.
Oh, snap, that was close.
Squad, we have eyes on the suspect and are pursuing.
Did my Bertha not spawn? Oh my god, it did the glitch where it doesn't spawn.
Wait, I don't want to escape.
Then kill some people.
Please, find me. Thank you. I'm gonna go to the hunter and like drive by him.
Like, wee!
No, not like a wee, like a shooting drive by.
Where the hell did he go?
Hello? Is that Mommy and Daddy being?
Oh gosh!
Ron, this is CH2. We're on the scene. We spotted
That was
something.
pretty sick,
Not going
but my bike has broken.
No, that's not true.
Well, come here. Get in my SUV.
Alright, well, you want to talk to Keegan now, Mom? Okay, I love you.
Josh,
What?
He's
get in. Get in.
Keegan,
What? Okay.
Mommy and Daddy.
I gotta go real quick.
No! Drive!
No. I'm upstairs playing the game. I finished all my chores. Like a good.
Crap, I've lost him.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't want to shoot you. We're on site. Joining me.
Is that what?
He has to be somewhere around here. We're on location, searching for the suspect now.
It is done. He's not over here right now.
There he is.
Alright.
Suspect's lost us. We'll stick around and sniff him out.
Nah, she hasn't called me or anything. Alright. Bye-bye. I'm back.
Hit. Miss.
Oh God. Driving. Oh God.
If you would quit swerving, I could kill the driver.
Don't kill the driver, just enjoy yourself. Where's the hunter at? Oh. The hunter was near us, but then he wasn't.
I killed.
Copy that.
There's another one. Oh, yay, we're escaping. Why? Of all things you could have done.
There's a charger,
Josh.
Looking, we gotta catch this guy.
and it's white.
Okay, well.
Suck it.
He's en route to the suspect.
What are you scared?
On location, searching for the suspect now.
Shh, that's not part of the plan.
Suspect couldn't have gotten far. Let's flush him out.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
Squad, we see him.
I'm going to hit the hunter head on. Oh, he's in the van.
Okay, I'm spawning in my Bertha now. Pop up! Oh, why would you spawn 100 meters away?
Let's flush him out.
That's pain.
I've been abused.
Have you been hit by a smooth criminal?
No.
Don't worry, Josh, I'm coming. I have a
am the
Bertha.
criminal.
I have a Bertha. We're now saved.
Squad, our control system is scrambled.
I'll come over there and save you.
Meow.
Suspect is now on foot.
Meow.
You got police still want to go? Where's the guy at, Josh?
Meow.
Is he near you?
Yeah.
How can I get up there? I want to get up there.
All units, suspect is
Lethal force?
That's fine.
Keegan, he's coming for me.
Are y'all still on the bridge?
No, we're on a building. Or I am, anyways.
Oh God. Well, I guess y'all are both on the building.
That's dumb.
Josh, why'd you have to be so gay about it? Well, now all the police are still after me, so...
Good for you.
He's running.
Come at me, coppers.
Suspect is outnumbered. Get up. You plan on staying there forever?
Yes. Now you can drive the bus. Keegan,
What do you...
do not do it. I want it on!
Oh, get on. I'm gonna trigger a bounty on myself.
Go.
That's not a good place to be.
Well, oh well.
Triggering a bounty on myself. You've been hit by... You were struck by a smooth criminal.
From my point of view, this is pretty cool.
Bus.
Oh, whoa.
Told you I'm good at driving this thing. You saw that drift. Oh God, I thought you fell.
I did too. I just ran to the back.
Yeah, move to the front of the bus. Get a car and just follow me. Just get a car and follow me.
Why is Ryan in there?
Ryan, go away, you gay sausage. Shots fired, shots fired. If you don't stop, no, I'm not coming back for you. I'm not coming back for you. I can't deal with this anymore. Get your own car.
Oh, you suck. I just got killed. Almost.
No, you didn't. Get your own vehicle. Oh, well, I missed the ramp.
I know.
Sounds like a you problem. Ow. Don't hit my engine, don't hit my engine, don't hit my engine. You still doing a video?
Yes, it's recording.
Oh. Hello, video.
Oh,
Why, whoa. Stop.